First of all, xClarity. This is for Lenovo server. This model is ST550. First of all, you have to configure or set up the IP address. This is I have changed already to 192.168.16.151. This is the internal LAN segment in my company. Okay, don't worry about the system events because I already plugged in. This is a dual power supply. I only plug in one, so it's like kind of warning alert actually, but it's okay. The default username is user ID. I'm sorry, it's in Thai. Capital, all capital, and password is password. Whatever you, in enter. Okay, logged in. This is the first screen. You will see. As I mentioned, this is the power supply warning because it's a two unit system. We go through one by one on this. This is the home page of xClarity controller. The license is 6 user concurrent license. I believe this is the paid license. I'm not sure this is but on HP or Dell it will be 1 user for free, Okay, health summary, active system event. Okay, take a look. This is the power. Okay, alert. CPU is okay. It's click in. This is a 2 CPU model. CPU is 5218, 2.3 gigahertz. That's 2 CPUs sockets. And this is the kind of the whole picture. And the RAM is 32 to 4 rows, total up to 128 gig. The drive, 4 drive, SSD. Yeah, I think this is SSD. I might check on the model. I'm not sure, but it's a 4 drives, and we're running configure later for RAID 5 and then 1 spare. It's been already created. I might have another video showing how to configure RAID configuration. This is configure RAID 5 for 2 volumes for 200 gig, and then the rest is about 2 terabytes. Power supply. This is redundant. Power supply 1 and 2. Okay. Fan system speed 48. Okay, this is okay. On the system, on the board, this is Intel mainboard X722, and got the RAID 5, the RAID controller 530 8i sitting on a PCI Express 12 gig adapter, and I think this is the extra LAN port, 2 dual Ethernet gigabit LAN port. I think the Ethernet on board has 2 gigabit ports also. So total up to this server is 4 gigabit ports. And Emulex, this is the fiber channel card, 16 gig. It's a dual port, 16 gig per port. Okay, fiber channel. This is all. And okay, the last one is the BMC. Okay, the system board is ST550. Okay, we run through even. This contains all the even log. Up there is the tool. This is even logs, audit logs, maintenance history, alert recipient. Oh, it has been set up. You can alert it by email by setting this tab over here. Inventory. I think this is the whole hardware list containing the part ID and part numbers or FRU numbers. Okay. Utilization. Okay, this is temperature, power utilization. It's got a graph. I believe there's a, you can output the log to the other server. This is a graph also. Fan speed. Firmware update. We skip remote console. We're gonna come back for this one. Firmware updates. We can update firmwares for a lot of stuff here on red card, Emacs card, and mainboard. Server configuration. Okay, this is where we change the not IP address. This is okay. Just I think it's just a status. Can we go in here? No. Put options. Alright, we don't need this actually. Just move this away. Network. And start by VMware ESXi. On the ST550, 557, we already installed ESX 7.0.3. So it's the first one. Apply. Okay. Do we need to restart? Yes. Alright. No, I'm not going to do that. Okay. We run through this first. Power policy. Redundant. It's an N%, which is 2.1 redundant power. Okay, we're not setting the power capping policy. I'm not sure what this is for. And RAID server, RAID setting. There's 2 volumes in here, 200 gig and then 2 terabyte, about a little bit over 2 terabytes. Array 0, array 0, and RAID 5. Server properties. Okay, you can input the location, contact, and everything. Building location, room number, etc. This is showing the BMC information. Also the watchdog. Okay. BMC's configuration. License. Let's take a look at the license. Okay. Keys valid. Okay. This is it. It's the enterprise license upgrade. So it's a 6 user for 6 user login concurrently. Actually, we don't need this if you only have if the only one admin. Networking. Okay, this is for Ethernet configuration. We already set port 1 for this IP. Okay. You can set up as NMP here. So this is for xClarity. So see, that's the same IP address up here, same here. I think the default is default should start with 128. Security. Okay. SSH server is on. Should set this one on in case of you have to remote to do something with the BMC. Okay, come back to remote console. This is where we mostly use capture screen setting, record video. You can record it, but if you click on this arrow, it will bring up the multi-user mode. Okay, we bring up the remote console, so you can see what's going on at the server screen, basically. Okay. Like I mentioned before, this is we already installed ESXi 7.0.3. This is the Lenovo ThinkSystem built. The image built is 7x10ZI01WW. You can download this from Lenovo website. I might show you, I might make a video on how to install, how to download the correct image, so you don't have to build a wide VIB or wide driver, which is kind of cumbersome. Okay, this is the remote console. So you can do what you can do here is you can power, you can restart the server normally, or put it, or switch off immediately. It's like pulling the plug off. Media, okay, that's a variety media. You can connect the media when you install the operating system by mounting to the local media file, or mounting to network, which use the NFC, MFS, CIFS, or the HTTP. Wow, okay, that's good. You can record this screen. I'm not sure where it's gonna save it, but I tried later. And keyboard, there's a lot of hotkey here you can use. You can configure mouse setting, screen mode.
พี่ชัยคะลด KVM switch เราได้หรอทัน
อย่างวันที่10 ถึง 12เนี่ยเขาแจ้งทีนึงโอเค this is it
เราเล่นเขาหน่อยได้ไหม
มันจะเล่นยังไง
ไม่ใช่ก็เช็คเขาว่าตอนนี้เขาดูสเตตัส
ผมถามเขาไป3 รอบแล้วจ้ะเมื่อวานก็ถามคุณว่าดีทักเขาที่เขาทำงานที่บ้านตามตลอดเลยเขาบอกยังไม่เข้าของยังไม่เข้าของมันเข้ามาแอร์เดินทางออกจากประเทศไต้หวันแล้วแต่ยังไม่ถึง